Hey, awesome peeps. I'm terribly excited and I wanted to share it with you. So, parts have arrived this morning from the wonderful Land Rover spares. Shout out again. Yep. So, where to start? New rear view mirror. I won't point it at me because then you might be horrified. Yes, slightly smaller than what's on there, but hey, we're not gonna, it works. You can see stuff in it. Hub nut spanner, legit, serious, the proper job, the bee's knees, the duck's nuts, and all that. Of course, my wonderful friend Charlie did lend me his, which I haven't actually got around to using yet, but I've been busy elsewhere. Less exciting to look at, but just as important, rod ends. Apparently there's left and right-handed ones. I'll have to work that out later. I did learn last night, interestingly, that, one-handed, if your rubber boot is split, they can't fail you for a waff, but they are required to advise you. So I've gone and bought these. I don't actually have to, but hey, it'll look a lot better on there and make the testing chappies happier. Yes, brake tail light lens with clear section for number plate, which is on the other side, but never mind. That's beautiful. And 2 wiper arms and wiper blades. Very important to see where you're going through your cracked and crazy windscreen. But the thing I'm perhaps most excited about and slightly disappointed at the same time, ta-da! Yep, it's a wheel nut. I was missing a wheel nut. Now, it's beautiful, it's shiny, it's wonderful, but the problem with this excellent man here is he couldn't find his box of used ones, so this one's new, shiny and new. And look, we're going to do it. Been fitting front suspension bushes to that wee beastie yesterday. Only took me a day and a half. Couldn't do it by myself. We're actually going to do an action video. Which way is the light best? So look at this. Right, we're back. Yes. Technical issues. Missing wheel nut. Shiny new wheel nut. Are you ready? Yes, I could use all the deck, but this is just far more exciting. Now, don't know what the exact torque specifications are, but I'm going by what the Ford Escape is, which is 98 foot-pounds. I'll just zoom in here for that moment. Oh, that was an anticlimax. There's my back going. Good Lord. It's harder than I remember. There it is, folks. Full on action video, real time. Go and have a cup of tea and a lie down. I know I am. Turtle pit.